Hey guys, welcome back to my channel 5-minute product review. If you are thinking about buying a new electric pressure cooker, then choosing the right one can be good. Now it's time to give my recommendation for the electric pressure cooker that you can buy right now. The first one is Quart Ultra 10-in-1 electric pressure cooker. Instant Pot Ultra electric pressure cooker is the next generation in kitchen appliances. A central dial with a simple turn and press provide add precautions in program selection and adjustment. Attitude adjustment, cooking indicator and a steam release rest button. The Ultra button for custom programming. The new feature includes sterilizing cake and egg program. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice porridge cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg cooker, steamer, warmer and sterilizer. Developed with the latest 3rd generation technology with embedded microprocessor. The microprocessor monitors the pressure and temperature, keep time and adjust heating intensity and duration. I certified with 11 safety features to provide peace of mind. New steam release rest button for safe handling. All components in contact with food are good grade 304 stainless steel. The second one is Instant Pot U Crisp Pressure Cooker 11-in-1. The hottest new multi-cooker from the maker of all-time best-selling U series. The Instant Pot U Crisp is pressure cooker and air fryer with 2 convenient removable lights. 11-in-1 touch cooking programs, spot cooking and autopilot with delicious result. Pressure cook, status, steam and slow cooks, sound, video, warm air fryers, roast, bake, broil and dehydrate. Tender juicy meals with a crisp golden finish. Innovative even crisp technology ensure a perfect crunch every time. Imagine biting into a full of that bone ribs with perfect air fried crust. Pressure cook, status, steam, slow cooks, warm air fries, roast, bake, broil and dehydrate. Innovative even crisp technology ensure a perfect crunch every time. Imagine biting into a fall of the bone rib with a perfect air fried crust. The multi-level air fryer bakes with a dehydrating and broiling tray is designed for optimal airflow. The protective pad is great for storage and countertop use. The last one is Power Pressure Cooker XL 10-quarter electric pressure. The Power Pressure Cooker XL look in precious nutrient and vitamin, infuses meat and seafood with intense flavor without added fat, and make vegetable tender and crisp while keeping fiber intact. Includes inner pot, 3-tier pressure cooker rack, and steamer package. 7 digital presets let you cook with just one touch. 1700 watt power pressure cooker XL done the rest with very little cleanup afterward. 10x faster slow cooking. Save money by using cheaper cuts of meat. The power pressure cooker XL tenderize ribs, steaks, pork rest and more to juicy perfection. Tight look into a place, trapping superheated steam inside, hyper purifiing environment, focus liquid and moisturizing into a 4 food for even tender juicy result. Removable inner pot is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, hand wash recommended. I hope you like my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell.